Hello guys! Welcome to Eldo Korean School. Today, we will learn about time and date in Korean. Let's start. 엘도 씨는 언제 태국에 가요? 5월 9일에 가요. 토요일이에요? 아니요, 수요일이에요. Jason asked Eldo. 엘도 씨는 언제 태국에 가요? In here, 언제 means when. People use this a lot when they ask about time in Korea. For example, 언제 밥을 먹어요? 언제 집에 가요? 언제 운동해요? 언제 공부해요? 언제 친구를 만나요? Eldo told 5월 9일에 가요. In here, 5월 means the month May. In 9일 means the ninth day. In English, we can write and say just the month and date when we represent the time. However, we should attach word and il to represent the date in Korean. In here, word means month and il means day and date. Now, I'm going to introduce how to read each month and the date in Korea. And we will gonna practice about it afterward. We just need to put the Sino-Korean numbers in front of the word. For example, 1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월, 7월, 8월, 9월, 10월, 11월, 12월. However, 6월 is not 6월. 10월 is not 10월. Of course, I can understand the fact that you would say 6월 and 10월. It's just awkward. And next, we now can attach the days after the month. We can say like 1일, 2일, 3일, 4일, 5일, 6일, 10일, 20일. It's just the same way how we say the months were. That's the Sino-Korean numbers attached in front of it. For example, June 10th is 6월 10일. September 2nd is 9월 2일. July 7th is 7월 7일. December 25th is 12월 25일. November 11th is 11월 11일. In addition, if you want to represent the year too, you can just put the Sino-Korean numbers in front of the yeon, like the month and the date. For example, May 3rd, 2018 can be read as 2018년 5월 3일, and August 15th, 1945 can be read as 1945년 8월 15일. Now, we will going to learn 에 in Korean. As you learned before in the sentence, 언제 태국에 가요? 에 is used to indicate the place or location. However, 에 is used not only to represent the place, but also to represent the time. So 에 is attached after the noun as coming to represent the time when some action or behavior is allowed. Simply 에 is time and place particle. For example, 아침에 만나요. 7시에 운동을 해요. 월요일에 와요. Like in here, 에 is a particle that represents the time and the place. Let's go back into a dialogue now. In here, Jason said, 토요일이에요. 토요일 means Saturday. In Korea, we say the date from Monday to Sunday as 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일. Lastly, Eldo answered, 아니요, 수요일이에요. And the conversation is ended. Now, let's organize what you learned today. Firstly, we'll learn to express the date. When you want to express the date in Korean, we use the word 년, 월, 일 with Sino-Korean numbers. Secondly, 에 is time and place particle that we use to represent the time and place. Lastly, in Korean, the days of the week are 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일. Now, let's learn the expressions of time in the next conversation. 찰리 씨는 언제 학교에 가요? 내일 오전에 가요. 오전 몇 시에 가요? 8시 15분에 가요. In this conversation, Thomas asked 찰리 씨는 언제 학교에 가요? And Charlie answered, 내일 오전에 가요. In here, 오전 means morning, which is a.m. and the afternoon is 오후, which is p.m. In English, a.m. and p.m. are attached behind the numbers. However, in Korean, 오전 and 오후 is used in front of the numbers. For example, 오전 3시, 오후 5시, 오전 6시. After that, Thomas asked 오전 몇 시에 가요? And Charlie answered 8시 15분에 가요. In here, we used 시 and 분 to express time. We just put the native Korean numbers in front of C here. However, 분 is used with Sino-Korean numbers. For example, 1:30 is 1시 30분. 7:30 a.m. is 오전 7시 30분. 9:20 p.m. is 오후 9시 20분. 11:15 is 11시 15분. Lastly, I'll review what you learned today. When we express the day and time, we use 년, 월, 일, 분 with Sino-Korean numbers and use 시 with native Korean numbers. Wow, we learned about how to say time and date in Korean today, and I hope this lecture is helpful for you guys. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video. Bye!